This video demonstrates the step-by-step process of adding a link to your course evaluation survey into your Blackboard course shell. Note that even if you only place your syllabus in Blackboard, you will want to add this course evaluation survey link into your course. Taking this extra step for your students will ensure that more of your students complete your course evaluations, which are required for promotion. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Somerset Community College webpage and click on Blackboard in the top right corner, or simply go to elearning.kctcs.edu. Once there, you'll need to log in using your KCTCS user ID and password. I was already logged in, so it's already taking me to my course list. Note that I'm going to click on a course that's not currently available to students and will simply take me to the default Blackboard course shell that you see once your new courses are available each semester before you do anything to them. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Announcements, and then I'm going to click on Create Announcement. Once I'm in Create Announcement, I'll need to type a subject, and I'm just going to simply put Take Survey. Note that in my own online course, I would create my announcement in Word and paste it into my announcement information. But I'm just going to do a quick version. So I'm going to type in just letters and then hit the Enter key, and then I'm going to actually type in, click here to go to survey. Now, whatever I type in my announcement, I want students to be able to see that they need to click in this location that I just clicked and drove my mouse to highlight, just like I would do if I were in Microsoft Word. So I want this to be a red bold link. So I'm going to go to the top left here on my toolbar, and you see that when I scroll over it, I see the word bold. So I'm going to click bold and watch what happens to the highlight text. Then I'm going to go to the other side of my toolbar, and I see another T, and when I scroll over it, I have text color and a drop-down arrow. I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow and then on the red because I want to change it to red text. Now, note that when I click off the link, I can actually see what my students are going to see. Now, note that I have not put a link in here yet. I've only prepared to. This red text is where students can click on any part of that, and it will actually take them to the survey link. So I'm going to highlight it again, and notice that you have a chain link that appears here, and it's when you scroll over it, you see Insert or Edit Link. So I'm going to click on this. When I do that, you'll see the link path, and I'm going to copy that link path from another document and paste it in. Now, note that when you paste this link in, it must have the URL, which includes http://. Then I'm going to click a title here, which would be for disability compliance, and I'm just going to say Course Evaluation Survey. And we know that my spelling is horrible. Okay. Now, once I finish that, I'm going to go over to the right and I'm going to click Insert. This will insert the link. You now see that it's hyperlinked underlined. And I'm going to scroll down because then I want to email this announcement to my students. So when I click Send a copy of the email announcement immediately, I have got to put parameters on my email. I either need to say that it's not date restricted, which is what I typically do, because I send reminders to my students to do things that I want them to do. If you don't send reminders, you may want to make it date restricted and indicate the last day that it will be available. As I said, I continually remind them and will tell them the day before just to ensure that I get student participation. Then I'm going to click Submit. And when I click Submit, now, once the link is submitted, this is what the students will see. And I can click on that, and if I just click, it will take me to the link. But I always like to open it in a new tab, so I just click Open in a new tab, and then when I click on it, that's the link that my students would see. Thanks for viewing the demonstration on how to add a link to your course evaluation survey in Blackboard. Please contact extension 16849 or visit MEAS 122A if you have any questions regarding placing your link in Blackboard. Thanks again.